Hello students, Vande Mataram. Today we are going to change degrees in 3 level. So students, today we change superlative degree into comparative degree and positive degree. Okay, here is the example. Here is the examples. First, so you can see here how to change superlative degree into positive and comparative degree. So first example is superlative degrees example. The Narmada is the longest river in Gujarat. So here we compare the river of Gujarat, the Narmada, to other rivers of Gujarat. So in superlative degree, when we compare one person, things or place to another person, things or place, at that time we use with adjective article the and est with adjective. If the adjectives pronunciation in 2 syllable or 3 syllable, okay, at that time we use there the most. Okay, now we change it into comparative degree. The Narmada is longer than any other river in Gujarat. Okay, here we also compare the Narmada with any other river in Gujarat. So here we add er with adjective and add than any other in comparative degree. Now we are going to change it into positive degree. No other river in Gujarat is so long as the Narmada. This is positive degree. Students, remember, when we change superlative degree into comparative degree, at that time we remove the most, like this est, and the we change the most, okay, and add er, longer. Okay, add er with adjective and then any other or more than any other, and the structure of comparative degree are not changed. So the sentence, you can see the sentence is same. The Narmada is the longest river in Gujarat. And in comparative degree, the Narmada is longer than any other river in Gujarat. But the changes is where with only adjective. We use the most with the adjective of superlative degree and er than any other or many other with adjective of comparative degree. Now in positive degree, when we change superlative degree or comparative degree into positive degree, at that time we compare the name of person, place or thing comes after no other, like here. Here we compare river. Okay, so this river word comes after no other. Okay, no other river in Gujarat is so long as the Narmada. If one person or thing compares with many other person thing, it can change into or compare into all degrees. You can see here we change or compare person, things and place with all degrees. Okay, so this is the level of comparison. Now what we should do if the sentence start with one of? Okay, if the sentence starting with one of, the sentence which start with one of, it changes little different way. Here in comparative degree we use there many other. Okay, many other instead of any other. And in positive degree we use here very few instead of no other. Okay, so let's go to see the examples. Darshan is one of the cleverest boys in the classroom. So it is superlative degree. Here we compare Darshan to the boys of classroom, and in it's a superlative degree. And when we change into comparative degree, here we use there many other instead of any other. You can see Darshan is clever than many other boys in the classroom, or the most other boys in the classroom. Okay, so when sentence starting with one of, at that time we use many other instead of any other. Okay, and in positive degree we use here very few instead of no other. Clear? Okay, when sentence start with one of, which is a superlative degree, at that time when we compare any person or thing, the name of that person or thing comes into plural. Like here we compare boys to Darshan, so boys comes in plural way, boys in the classroom. Okay, and in comparative degree it's also the same rule. Here is also the things of comparison comes into plural way. Very few boys in the classroom are as clever as Darshan. Okay, in positive degree, here we start with very few. Okay, not no other. Here we start with very few. So with adjective we use here as, and the to be form comes in plural way. So this is the examples of a comparison, degree of comparison, where we compare one person to many other persons or things or places. At that time we use all the degrees to compare things. Okay, students. So this is the examples of a comparison of degrees.